everybody, this is Doug with the McCurdy Outdoors channel. We rode outside of Emmett, Idaho today, and I brought along Dennis Huck from the Idaho Razor Crew. My whole idea was to get these Hero 7 Blacks out, do some testing, and run through some different video modes, some different ISO levels, sharpness, just play with the camera. And one thing led to another, and before you know it, we were in Horseshoe Bend. And we could have wrapped around and played in the desert a little bit more, but I was like, hey, let's shoot up off Harris Creek. Let's go up to Hawley Mountain, try to get up to the lookout. So right now we're on, I think it's Hawley Mountain Road, or it's 374 north, I believe. Maybe it's south, I can't remember. I'll put it down below. And we ran into a little bit of snow. And right now I'm shooting at 4K 30 frames a second. I've been testing 60 frames. I was testing some 2K stuff, some 1080. Forest Service trucks, huh? You don't see them up here a lot. Anyway, testing a whole bunch of different modes and changing the settings around, running it for 5 minutes, seeing what it looks like, or not really seeing what it looks like, but run a different mode for 5 minutes, switch it, so when I get it home I can kind of get a baseline idea, at least when it's somewhat cloudy like it is today, to get the best setting as possible, because I've noticed the last few videos, I mean, grainy, whited out. I wasn't very happy with how the cameras were doing. And granted, the Hero 5s are 6 years old at this point, so going to a camera that's new, that's a lot more powerful, that can shoot at higher resolutions, that can capture more and bring it to you guys, is what I'm all about. And so far, the only thing that I've noticed that I really don't like is, thus far, I haven't been able to consistently get this camera to charge and record at the same time. So I'm used to just plugging this cord in, and it's attached to an external battery source here in the cubby, and I don't have to mess with that battery at all. And it'll do its own thing, it'll stay charged. I don't have to mess with a battery at all. But for one reason or another, it'll play and then it'll automatically just stop. So I don't know if there's a certain setting or what. And I have the newest firmware. That's the first thing I did with the cameras. Bluetooth it through my phone and got them set up and updated. So I'm gonna have to search around and see how to get this to charge while it records, or if it will. I noticed it's the main time it's having problems is when it's in 4K. At 1080, I never had a problem, or even 2K. It didn't have a problem charging and recording. So we'll see. We will see. I think me and Dennis figured it out. We think it's the rear sway bar bushing. Just loose. I might add some grease to it, see if that'll fix it, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and order the bushing kit, get it over with. Rod, the lower radius rod, the boot was cut. I thought that's where that squeaking was coming from, but I don't think that's it. I'm really hoping I'm going the right way. I think I am. I stopped last time, and that tree across the road was up here. Like we're right about there. Wow, that's pretty. It's a pretty look. Cow? Gotta be. As an elk, it'd be running. Yeah, that's a cow. And I do want to say I appreciate all the feedback I got in the last video as far as what you guys want to see, don't see, what you envision the channel looking like going forward. And I think these cameras are a good first step. I know with the GoPro 8s and the Max coming out here in the last few days, I mean, you can't get them till, I think, December. But I'm eyeing that 360 camera. What worries me is the 360 cameras that GoPro put out have never lived up to the hype. So hopefully this one's good. I'm gonna wait till the reviews come out and then probably give it a shot. Lookout's going to be right up here though. So we'll see on the 360, but I do appreciate everybody chiming in. Don't be afraid to comment. I respond to all the comments, so if you have a question about anything, or you have a suggestion or whatever, no matter how small, throw it in and let me know. So this is the Hawley Mountain Fire Tower. I want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody that subbed, watches the videos, likes me on Facebook, follows on Instagram. I appreciate it. I don't have the in-cab cam going right now. Guess I'm gonna have to buy another 7. So anyway, this has been McCurdy Outdoors, and I'll catch you guys on the next ride. But don't forget, the adventure awaits. Peace, guys.